an effect on blank. Okay. And then once you have the question, okay, I'd like you to, so I'd like you to make up some data. And what that means is just come up with some numbers. Okay. And then calculate the mean for the sample. Okay. And then talk about any possible sampling error, which could be like, what we call confounded variables. Okay? Chance. Okay? So, it can be a lot like, I'll put that back up there, it can be a lot like the format that I have had up there on the board. Does this have an effect on that? Then come up with some data, okay? So if you say, does this drug have an effect on anxiety, okay? Then you might want to make up data as far as like, dosages, okay? Or you might want to make up some data as far as the anxiety questionnaires, okay? Just like, say, 50, 24, 90, you can just come up with some data. And then you find a mean for that data, whatever it is, okay? And then possible sampling errors. So examples of possibility that your population might be, why it might be different than the sample, okay? We went over some of that in the beginning of class. A hand?
Are we turning this down?
Yeah, this is going to be what we would consider our your turn. So we're just kind of just like a revisiting of some of the concepts. So thank you for that question. You can put this on a separate sheet of paper. You can. You can by yourself or with someone else.
If we're with someone, do we just
Okay, yeah. So if you are with somebody, you can do it on one sheet of paper, but just make sure your names are for all.
Oh yeah, the
A lot of low points go on higher Yeah, what is what we call a meeting. So it's not fair that happens. Yeah, that's right. Okay. All right, so did everyone, I know you guys aren't completely finished, correct? Okay, finished enough, right? So yeah, so go ahead and put let's see. You can put, don't forget, put these up here, make sure all of your names are on it, and this will count as attendance for today. If it's not finished, that's fine. I'm just going to look through and kind of get a sense of your questions, okay?